Okay, here we are on day 6 of our comprehensive intensive. I'm so proud of each of you for showing up and for engaging. It's such a beautiful, meaningful experience. Hello, Sue, Audrey, Natasha, good day. So we're going to start out with necrosis. This is an internal image that shows what fat necrosis can look like.
But my other question is in those pictures of the women who have those big necrotic areas, how fast can it get that bad? How fast?
With the nervous system only, so it's very light, and you're just doing very quick brushes of the nervous system up towards the head.
In this case, I would definitely kind of explain what's going on in their situation to them.
In preparation for surgery, I would do some lymphatic drainage and also some circulatory massage.
Make sure you're communicating with your patient. If you find your nose is at their skin, exactly. That's an indicator. I need to back off a moment here, get some space.
With this, all these things combined together, you're creating mobility through the rib cage.
Or something very traumatic, and having just a pleasurable experience in their body is something which is really welcomed and can kind of reset that pleasure barometer in their body. So a nice neck massage is a good way to finish that up.
Really excited to get started. I've had several people already reach out about the work, so I'm just really grateful to be here and just ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, you are.
Training has been so amazing. I'm a teacher myself. I know how much it takes to put this sort of thing together, and I really appreciate all the work you put into it and all the work that you've done to make this a specialty.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Forward. That's something I never actually thought of doing, and now I'm like, okay, I want more of this because it feels really good.
One other thing I want to say about the quality of the course, aside from the fact that, I really feel like after 28 years of practice, this is probably the best organized and most efficiently run, and the most volume of information that I've ever taken in, and I love that. I appreciate that. If I'm going to spend the time and the money on education, I want to learn. But another piece of it, and I think I said before, the way you had those little tricks to just really make us feel what other people are feeling was so incredible. But then one other piece that really stands out to me is the ethics that you include.
It was on point, the way you did your exercises. Because I'm on the board of massage for the state of Pennsylvania, and I just want to, I'm going to go and tell them this is amazing. Everybody should be doing this.
You have kept us connected.
It is an amazing program. Your engagement is phenomenal.
Helena, I have to give you a shout out. You are doing this in the middle of the night, and having you with me is making such a huge difference, and I think it elevates the quality of everything that we're giving. So thank you for being here and adding your skills. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I just wish you the best. I really do. I truly, I have really enjoyed being with you. So don't be a stranger, stay in touch, and we will celebrate you as you're putting this work into play.